Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the text color in Discord. It is, pretty easy, but it is not really, the best method because, well, it's the only method out there. But as you can see, the font will change to a weird font, and a sort of box appears around it. But this is the only method possible, so I'm going to show you guys right now how it works. So what you want to do is you want to type in a sort of code, and the code is very simple. But what you want to do is you want to type in 3 back quotes, and the back quote is on the left of your number 1 key. So it's this one right here, and yeah, just like this. So type in these 3 and it will sort of like change a bit of color. So what you want to type in then is I'm going to select this color right here, sort of like lime green, and I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to put the I think 6 color codes on the screen right now. You can use for your for the different colors. So make sure to save this video or take a photo and save that in your camera roll, so you always know the color codes. So yeah, I'm going to type in CSS, which is a color, then hit shift and enter at the same time. Type, for example, hello. As you can see, the color changes, but don't hit enter yet. So you want to hit shift and enter again, and again you want to type in those 3 back quotes, and now hit enter. And as you can see, the color has changed, and out of my head I know there is also oh, that's the wrong one. Also this color, arm, I think, and then shift enter, and if you say hello, yes, the color will change as well. So yeah, as you can see, boom, it's now sort of orange / reddish color. And yeah, that is all you have to do. And as I said, unfortunately there isn't really like a method right here just to change the color, but this is the best way out there. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.